In this section I'm going to talk about how to store your knife so that they're safe and protected. We've got three different types here. We've got the plastic knife guards, we've got the traditional wooden sayers, and we've got magnetic knife rack. First up, plastic sheath. This is flop lined, keeps you nice and safe. And put them away. It's got this lovely little cutout here. Pop it in, tuck it away. That can now go in a drawer. It's not going to do any damage, not going to hurt anyone. Looks after the knife as well. They come in multiple sizes. Check the website to see which ones fit best. Then we've got traditional wooden sayer. This is a pretty good too. A little bit bulkier. Nice slots in, slots out. It's got a nice pin that will fit in there as well. Stop that popping out. Again, comes in two different types. This one's got a slightly different pin, traditionally non-attached one. And then this is a magnetic knife rack. This one's really fantastic too. Everyone asks me if these are strong enough to actually hold. So every single one of our knives will hold on this. They're absolutely no problem at all. But then most of our knives are high carbon knives like this one. This one will go with a really big slap. That's not coming off there. Shake that around, put it upside down, definitely staying. This one, different steel. This one sticks, just not as much. This one I've really got to work to get that one off. If you've got pure stainless steel knives, which aren't sold by us, they may not stick too well because there's just not enough magnetic pull on them. One of the other tips I can give you about this is try not to overload your rack. Can you see how much pull these things have got? You don't want the edges smacking against each other. You'll end up chipping your knife. So if you put too many knives on here, you're running the risk of that happening. So this knife, happily hold 4, maybe 5 at a push. So when you buy your MagBlok, it's going to come unfinished. What that simply means is it's just bare wood. This is done on purpose in case you want to stain it to match your kitchen. We do about 5 different types of wood. Sometimes we get more exotic stuff in as well, so watch the website for details. But if you do want to finish it, add whatever stain you want to do so it matches your kitchen exactly, and then you want to put a top coating over it. In the kit, you'll get provided block butter. This is just simply beeswax. It's in a sort of prick stick style applicator. You put this over the top. I'll finish this one for you just to show you how this is done. Simply apply it over the top. Then with a cloth, buff it in. And that's going to seal all the pores. It's going to stop it being water damaged. Then to finish, also in the pack, 2 brass screws and 2 little rivets, and just want to drop those in the ends. And finally, screw them to the wall using the wall fixtures of your choice. So as you can see, I've only done one side there, really brought out the colour of the wood. See the before and the after. That's why we treat it. It looks absolutely fantastic. That'll really protect it and smells gorgeous too.